This is my boys' room. And although there's still a lot that needs to be done in here, instead of waiting for it to be perfect, today I'm going to do something that I can actually finish. I want their room to look high-end without paying high-end prices. So today I'm making the boys upholstered headboards using materials I found for cheap. Welcome to day 6 of me trying to get monetized so that I can give free room makeovers. I am at Walmart because I'm trying to find some material that I need. I have the board. I need to get the padding so it can be soft. I need to find the bedding, and I need to find the material that I'm going to need to cover up the entire thing. And I need something that's going to match their aesthetic of the room, 1, and 2, their bedding, because I don't think I'm going to buy new bedding, but let's see what we find. These are all the options they have here. They have sort of this like taupe color. It's like crocodile gray. It's like, this, I don't know if it's showing on camera, but it's like a deep brown, like a deep maroon. I have like this one, which I really like too. And then they have like all of these. Out of all of the ones, I think I'm vibing with this one here and this one. What I like about this one is this one's pretty thick. I think will look better and it would be stretched out pretty. This one is like super thin. And I don't think it will hold up as well as the other one. So I think we're gonna take this one. They have these foams in a 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and I think there's like a 2. But I think we can find something better. So I'm gonna look around still. I looked around and found an upholstery place that had the foam for way cheaper. This place was the cutest and the prices were unbeatable. Now that I found this place, I have so many ideas for projects I can get supplies for. Any chance you get, try to shop local. I have all the material I need to upholster the headboard, so let's get to it. First things first, we have to cut our foam to size. I laid the board down to use as a template. It was as simple as tracing it out, and we used an X-Acto knife to get the line straight. Since the foam was a little thick, we cut it in layers. Since we are laying our foam on top of the board, we took it outside and sprayed it with the spray glue to ensure that the foam stays connected. Then we simply took it inside and aligned the foam to the board, then got ready for the next step.
Okay, will you align yours?
I honestly do not know if this is necessary, but when you have these like sharp squared edges, I want to kind of soften them up. So I'm going to use this batting to cover up the foam, and then we'll use the fabric to cover up that, and then it'll give it extra padding. I honestly do not know this is necessary, but I'm going to steam all of these wrinkles out just to make sure no wrinkles come through. I layered the batting and fabric on top of each other and used my staple gun to staple. These corners can get kind of tricky, but folding it like a present worked best for me. After making 2 of these, we are ready to install. Frank grabbed these L-shaped brackets so one side could be connected to the current headboard and the other to the new DIY headboard. And here they are. If you've been enjoying this journey, make sure to subscribe and follow along. My goal is to get monetized so that I can give free room makeovers to families who deserve them. And before the next video, if we gain 10 new subscribers, you get to choose my next challenge. Comment A, B, or C below, and whichever one gets the most votes, that's what I'm doing next.